Conference will now be recorded.
Let's start with the machine learning today. So I told you on top of the Python, you can able to do machine learning. So once you learn Python, after that you have to learn NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. After learning Python, very important libraries. One is NumPy. We already done this NumPy, numerical Python. And after this, we have to understand Pandas, panel data, Pandas panel data. So you have to go through the NumPy, you have to go through the pandas. Then after that, for visualization purpose, we need to learn matplotlib. Matplotlib. These are the three important libraries we have to learn. And after learning all these things, you need to learn one more important library called scikit-learn. Scikit-learn. Okay, scikit-learn. So this is basically using for machine learning algorithms. This is basically using for machine learning algorithms. Okay. What are the different kind of machine learning algorithms which are going to be available? What are the different kind of machine learning algorithms which are going to be available? Like one is the supervised learning. The one is supervised learning. Supervised learning. The second one is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning. Sorry. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning. And the third one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Getting my point, guys? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforced learning. Okay. First of all, we try to understand what is the machine learning. Let me open collaboratory. Hmm, Maybe this is the collaboratory. Okay. First, I need to write the definition for the machine learning. Machine learning is a field. Machine learning is a field of AI. Machine learning is a field of AI. What is the importance of this machine learning then? Field of AI that allows computers to learn patterns of the data. Patterns of data. Okay, and make predictions. And make predictions without being explicitly programmed. Without being explicitly programmed. Explicitly programmed. Okay, that is a point actually. Machine learning is a field of AI that allows computers to learn patterns of data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. So the machine is thinking like a human brain. Machine is thinking like a human brain. A scientific approach on data. Simply, one more definition I want to tell you. Scientific approach on data. On data. Okay. Tell me guys, what are the different kind of data? Tell me what are the different kind of data you will be having in the applications in the real time. Kinds of data. What are the different kinds of data? Anyone? What are the different kinds of data? Please tell me. Amarnath, Divya, Mansa, Sandeep, Sudesh, Siddharth, Shreya, Subodh. What are the different kind of data? How the data will be available in the real time? Hmm. Tell me, guys. Types of data. Tell me types of data.
Structured data, unstructured data.
No. Numerical, and character data, and image data, audio data, hmm, video data, sensor data. Am I right? Types of data. What are the types of the data? Types of data, numerical data. It may be a numerical values. It may be a characters. It may be a string data.
இந்த
It may be
இந்த துட்டு
characters.
செல்லுமா 10 ரூபா.
Mute, Mansa.
சரி சரி சரி.
Okay. So we will be having different kinds of data: numerical data, characteristical data, image data, audio data, video data, and sensors data. Am I right, guys? Am I right? This is clear. First of all, we need to understand how the data will be available in the real time, how the data set contained with the data with. Okay, let me save the picture, and I want to go with the machine learning types then. Okay, let's stop. Gen AI, and this is ML. Now I want to take ML types. ML types, and before that, machine learning architecture. How the machine learning architecture will be. How the machine learning architecture will be. You are going to be collecting the data from the multiple sources. You are going to be collecting the data from the multiple sources. Okay. What are the different kind of sources available in the real time? What are the different kind of sources available in the real time? Data is going to be collecting from databases. Data is going to be collecting from data warehouses. Data warehouse. Data is going to be collecting from data warehouse. Data is going to be collecting from cloud. So one application is going to be having the data in the database, and some other application having the data in the data warehouse, some other application having the data in the cloud. So whatever the data we are going to be collecting from all these sources, that is unstructured data. Whatever the data we are going to be collecting from the databases, that is unstructured. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Whatever the data we are going to be collecting or getting, that is something like unstructured data. What is the meaning of unstructured here? What is the meaning of unstructured? What is the meaning of unstructured? Anybody? It may have missing values, may have missing fields, it may have null values, it may have unwanted columns, unwanted columns. It may have duplicates. Unstructured means what? You are going to be finding some missing fields, you are going to be finding some null values, you are going to be finding some unwanted columns, you are going to be finding some duplicate values, whatever it may be. So the input is a kind of image, the input is a kind of number, input is a kind of sensor, input is a kind of audio, input is a kind of video, whatever it may be. Unstructured data we are going to be getting. From the multiple sources, we are going to be getting unstructured data. From the multiple sources, we are going to be getting the unstructured data. What we need to do now? What we need to do now? Tell me. Tell me, guys. When you have the unstructured data, first of all, a machine learning person, a data scientist, a AI person, a Gen AI person, whatever it may be. First of all, whatever the data is coming from the multiple sources, that is unstructured, we need to make unstructured data to structured data. We need to make unstructured data to structured data. Am I right? I need to convert this unstructured data to structured. Convert this. Clean this. This process is called data cleaning or data wrangling. Data cleaning or data wrangling. Data cleaning or data wrangling. Okay. Data cleaning, data wrangling, when you perform a different kind of mathematical approaches, a different kind of pandas functions we are applying, and data cleaning is over and data wrangling is over, and your unstructured data converting into structured data. Your unstructured data converting to structured. Structured. What is the meaning of structure? Structured. Your unstructured data converting to structured data. So once the data is cleaned, when the data is structured data, when the data is structured data, now the important thing. Now we need to deploy the data to the machine learning model. Data modeling. Data cleaning is over. Data gathering. This concept is actually data gathering. Data gathering. Data gathering is over, and data cleaning is over in this part. Data gathering, data cleaning, then model, apply model. Apply model. What is the model here? What is the model here? Model is a kind of algorithm. What is the meaning of algorithm? Anybody? What is the meaning of algorithm? How you can define algorithm? There is a biryani preparation. Biryani preparation is algorithm or not? Biryani preparation is a process. Biryani preparation is a process. House construction is a process. So now we started a class, go to meeting, and I am taking the class, you are listening the class. This is one process. This is one process. There is a task you have to do. There is a task you have to do. What is the meaning of algorithm here? Algorithm, simple meaning I will tell you. What is the meaning of algo? What is the meaning of algorithm? One simple definition I will step. Step by step process. Step by step process to implement some work. Step by step process. Step by step process to implement a task. Okay. To implement a task. Am I right? Can I define algorithm like this? Can I define algorithm like this? Sir, you people have to talk to me. This is interactive session. Amarnath, Divya, Manasa, Sandeep, Sudesh, Siddharth, Shravan Kumar, Sriya, Subodh. You people have to talk to me. If I'm asking a questions, you have to respond with me. Can I define algorithm like this?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
define algorithm like this? Step by step process to implement a task.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. There is a process. Okay. Let me tell you. There is a process. There is a work. There is a work like cooking food. Cooking food. Cooking food is a process or not? Work or not? Cooking food is a process or not? Cooking food. Preparing biryani. Sir, mute. Preparing biryani. Taking class. Listening class. Dilip. Mute. Mute, Dilip. Thank you. Okay. Algorithm is something like a step-by-step process to implement a task. Cooking food, preparing biryani, taking class, listening class. eating food. See, all these are tasks or not? There are different kind of tasks which are going to be available. So here in this machine learning, whatever the data you have, this data I need to train to the model. I need to train to the model. Okay, the process is called training process. So whatever the data you have, this data is going to be splitting into the two parts. Whatever the data we have, we need to split the data in two parts. One is the train set. Your data set is splitting into the two parts. One is the train set, one is the test set. Train set and test set. Getting my point here? Before giving this model to the machine learning model, our data, whatever the data, our structured data we have, first of all, we need to split the data into the two parts. One is the train set, one is the test set. One is the train set, one is the test set. Okay, now you may have a question. You may ask a question, sir, how much data I need to give for training? 70 to 80% of the data. It may be something like a 70%, for example, 70% of the data. Okay, for example, you have 100 records. You have 100 records. First, you split the data 70-30 records. 70-30 records. Split the data. Split the data. Okay, after splitting the data, first of all, we are training this data to the model. Through this data, I am training the model. Suppose this is the machine learning algo. It may be a supervised learning, it may be unsupervised learning. First of all, we are going to be giving the training data set to the machine. So the first one is train. The first task we have to train the machine. Train the machine. So train the machine. After trying the machine, now machine learning observes and understands. And now machine learning trained ML training by machine learning training by trained data set or trained data set. ML trained by training data set. A 70% data set, whatever we have, through that particular data set, this machine is trained. So for example, sir, I will tell you one simple general example. Okay. You are trying to learning a car. First of all, you need to take a car and you need to take a trainer, and trainer knows how to drive the car, and trainer teach you for 30 days or 60 days how to drive the car, how to move the car, how to change the clutch, how to change the gears, how to control the speed, and how to take turns, left turn or right turn, and how to improve the speed, how to decrease the speed. There are some steps. So the person is going to be training by a trainer. Car learning process. In the car learning process, some training procedure is there. Using by the training procedure, he trained by. Now he know how to drive the car. Now machine learning algorithm is training with the trained data. After that, we need to test. We need to test the machine. In the training part, for example, in the training part, we are giving inputs and outputs. We are giving inputs and outputs to the machine. Okay, these are the number of inputs and this is the output based on that. These are the number of inputs. This is the output based on that. These are the number of inputs. This is the output based on that. So like 70% data we are giving inputs and outputs. Getting my point, sir? This is very clear, straightforward. This is very clear, straightforward. With the 70% of the data, we are training the machine with inputs and outputs. Questions and answers, for example. There is a student, there is a student, there is a teacher, and the teacher is training the student with question and answers. Question and answers. For the examination, in the examination, teacher will you give only question paper or answer paper also? You have to speak to me, guys.
Question
Both,
paper.
both.
So teacher training the student with 70% of the data like questions and answers. 70% of the data questions and answers. 70% of the data question and answers he is giving to the student. Now student is learning. Student is learning.
Sir, sir,
Tell me the steps. Tell me the steps. Data gathering from the multiple sources. After that, whatever the data we are going to be getting, that is unstructured data. Huge number of missing fields, huge number of null values, huge number of unwanted columns, huge number of duplicates. When you have the unstructured data, first of all, we need to clean the data. Data cleaning, data wrangling is important over there. Data cleaning, data wrangling is important over there. After clean the data, you have to split the data. Split the data into the two sections, two parts. One is the trained set, one is the test set. And the 70% trained data we have to give to the machine learning model. In the training part, machine is learning by the data. After learn, you test the machine now. You test the machine now with 30% of the data. Now machine product answer or machine products output with 98 to 99% accuracy. We want 98 to 99% accuracy answer. Now, okay, machine is going to be ready for this particular questions. For this particular questions, machine will give the answer in the real time. Now, finally, model trained with the data and the machine is giving the accuracy 98 to 99%. Now, put this algorithm into the real time. Put this algorithm into the battlefield. Keep this machine learning algorithm for the battlefield. Now, we need to deploy the last step. The last step, final step. What is the final step now? What is the final step now? Sir, final step. Tell me.
deploy.
Deploy. Deploy this machine into the real applications. Real applications. It may be a mobile app. It may be a mobile app. It may be a desktop app. It may be a mobile app. It may be a desktop app. Deploy it. deploy it. Deploy this model to the web application or deploy this model to the mobile application, whatever it may be. Sorry. Now this is in real time, real application. In real time, data coming. This is in real time. In real time, some data is coming to the mobile app or data is coming to the web app. Now machine give answer or not? The same questions will come. Same kind of questions will come. Machine give answer 99% accuracy or not? Why? Because this machine already trained, sir. This machine already trained with your data fields, and machine already tested. N number of tests happen. Now you deploy this machine into the real mobile application or web application. Then finally, in real time, how the data is coming from the multiple sources. If the users are coming and data is coming here into this or into this, it will predict. It will predict. This machine already trained with that particular fields. Now machine can predict. Machine can predict answers. Machine can able to predict answers. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody got understand about this machine learning architecture. Everybody got
Yes, sir.
understand about the machine learning
Yes, sir.
architecture. What are the different fields? What are the different steps, sir? The first step is data gathering. Second step is data cleaning. Third step is model ready. Train the model, apply model. And finally, this one is deploy. This concept is deploy. Deploy to the real application. This concept is deployment. Deployment. Anybody have questions on this? If anybody have questions, you can just go with the questions. Amarnath, Dilip, Divya, Lohit, Manasa, Prasad, Sandeep, Sudesh, Siddharth, Somesh, Shravan Kumar, Surya,
No,
both.
no questions.
No questions. Very good. Okay. This is the architecture, sir. Remember, one more time, you just observe this data gathering and data cleaning and apply the model and make ready the model and deploy the model into the real time. Algorithm is something like a step-by-step processor to implement a task. For example, cooking food, preparing biryani, taking classes, listening classes, eating food. There are some steps. There are some rules and regulations. Algorithm is nothing, sir. Algorithm is very simple. Okay, it kind of mathematical algorithms with the Python programming language. Mathematics and Python both are needed. Both are needed. Science and maths. Science, maths, both are needed. Science and maths both are needed. In the part of science, Python is there. In the part of the science, Python is the programming language. The part of the mathematics, you have to understand something like statistics, probability, linear algebra, vectors, statistics. You know statistics, huh? Everybody? Statistics,
No,
probability,
sir. We don't.
statistics, probability, vectors, vector databases, and need to understand about matrix. Statistics, probability, vector matrix, and Python. That's all. Enough. Enough. Am I clear, sir? ML architecture. Now, try to understand supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. There are three kind of machine learning algorithms are there. Three kind of machine learning algorithms are there. ML algos types. ML algos types. Algos. Sorry. ML algos types. There are three things. ML algorithm types. Sir, don't confuse. Don't confuse. ML is the superset of the DL. ML is the superset of the DL. For example, if you take a machine learning, this is ML. There are multiple kind of ML algorithms which are available. Inside the machine learning, there is a one more important concept called deep learning. One more important concept called deep learning, DL. DL nothing but deep learning. DL. DL mostly for images, audio data, video data. Okay, this is clear, and both are available for AI and DS. This ML and DL both are available for AI and DS. Okay, how to draw the picture for that? So this ML and DL available for data science. Okay, for example, data science. Data science, different fields. Data science in data science, you have to learn different fields. But compulsory ML, DL compulsory. And you need to understand about the SQL, or you need to understand about Power BI. And you need to understand about the Databricks. And you need to understand about the Spark, PySpark, to handle the huge amount of the data. PySpark. So once you are ready for the data science learning, you have to learn these tools also. SQL you need to understand, database you need to understand, Power BI data analytical tool you need to understand, Databricks we need to understand, PySpark we need to understand, with machine learning and deep learning. If you are learning artificial intelligence, for example, or generative AI or agentic AI, whatever it may be, these two are compulsory. Machine learning, deep learning compulsory. You have to learn, and we need to learn few other things. We need to understand about the NLP. We need to understand about Keras. We need to understand about TensorFlow. Just try to observe, sir. We need to understand about TensorFlow, and we need to understand computer vision for self-driving cars application. Self-driving car application, computer vision. Self-driving cars came into the picture with computer vision, image detection, object detection. So everybody got to understand about machine learning and AI here. What is machine learning and what is AI and what is data science, all these things. This is AI. AI. Now AI changing the faces. AI changed the faces, like AI is implementing like anything. Now Gen AI, generative AI. A kind of application is ChatGPT. Agentic AI. Agents you can able to create. In one organization, you can able to create agents also. Agents will talk. Agents will work. Agentic AI. There is a one more phase for the AI nowadays. That is agentic AI. Gen AI, agentic AI. These are the fields. These are the different kind of fields. Later we will take some classes on agentic AI also. No worries about it. Now tell me, algo types. What are the different kind of algorithms we have in the machine learning? What are the different kind of machine learning algorithm types? Tell me, guys. I already told you, na?
Yeah, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement.
Exactly. One is supervised, one is unsupervised, one is reinforced. Okay. Tell me the difference between the supervision and unsupervised. Difference between the supervision and supervision. What is the supervision, sir?
It's monitoring or uh, giving some inputs and getting the output.
Very good. Anybody? Amarnath or Dilip or Divya, Manasa, Prasad, okay. Sandeep, Sudesh, Siddharth, Somesh, Sravan Kumar, Sriya, Subodh. Okay, I'm not talking about the machine learning. I'm not talking about the uh, concept of machine learning here. Just a general question. What is the supervision? What is the unsupervised? General question, English, general English. What is supervision? What is unsupervised in the real world? In the general real world, there is a concept called supervision. There is a concept called unsupervised. Okay, supervision something like a mentorship, sir. Unsupervised is something like a no mentor. Mentor is available for the supervision. Teacher is available for teacher is available for teacher there to train student. Teacher there to train students. Teacher no questions. Teacher no answers. Now teacher is teaching question and answers for the student. Now teacher is giving questions and teacher is giving answers. Both are there. Now student can able to train with the questions and answers. Teacher giving question and answers for the student. Now student got trained. Okay. In the general way, in the general way, in the machine learning way, it is something like labeled data. It is something like a labeled data. Labeled data. What is the meaning of labeled data in the supervision? For example, uh, let me take let me take a box. Let me take a box. Inside the box, few fruits are available. Okay. When I have a circle, when I have a circle that is a fruit. Okay, I am giving the label for this. What are the features? Features of the circle is what? Circle, rounded one. Okay, this is fruit. Whenever you found a round color object, whenever you found a round color object, I am training the machine. Okay, this is fruit. This is fruit. This is fruit. But when I have when I have some kind of rectangles here, I tell to the machine, I tell to the machine, whenever you found this kind of object, this kind of shape, I tell the machine this is vegetable. I tell the machine this is vegetable. Okay, product is there, features are there. I am giving the label also for that. Now this is labeled data or not?
Yes, sir.
When you have the picture like a circle, that is fruit. I'm telling to the machine. When you have a data which is something like a square box, that is vegetable. I'm telling to the machine. Now machine understands when a round color object comes into the picture, it will say it is fruit. When a square kind of object come into the picture, machine will tell that is vegetable. Why? Because we are giving input and we are giving output also. We train the machine with inputs and outputs. In unsupervised learning, what is there in unsupervised learning then? Tell me about the unsupervised learning now. Just reverse.
There is no mentor.
No mentor. Student got trained by himself. Okay. So no supervision, no supervision, no labeled data. Unlabeled data. Unlabeled data. Unlabeled data. What is the meaning of unlabeled data here? What is the meaning of unlabeled data? Okay, let me have the data. Let me have the data. And if I have the fruits, if I have the round color object, if I'm having few round color objects, if I'm having a few squares. But now remember, what is the difference between this box and that box? What is the difference between this box and this box? The one is
No
supervised
labels.
here, unsupervised. No labels. No labels. For no labels, how machine is going to be predicting like? How machine is going to be predicting like? There is some structure, there is some process, there is some algorithm for that. Unsupervised learning. Now tell me about the reinforcement. Tell me about the reinforce. Reinforce nothing but something like a trial and error process. Trial, error. If the machine goes with the right process, if the machine goes with the right process, he get rewards. If the machine is going to be, this will take long time, sir. Reinforcement learning will take long time. It may be take months, it may be take years also. It may be take a months, it may be take a years also, reinforced learning. In trial and error, there are 2 points. One is the rewards, one is the penalty. One is the reward, one is the penalty. When a machine got reward, when machine got penalty. There is some robotics, sir. There is some robo. There is some robo. Reinforce. Something like imagination. Okay, maybe India win, maybe New Zealand win. Some guess kind of thing. Guess kind of thing. Sir, one small kid is there, sir. One small kid is there. Okay, let me tell you one more simple example to understand. Small kid, a small boy. First of all, he don't know about the fire. He touch fire first. He touch fire. Uh, he touch for fire, and he got pain. And he got pain. He got pain. Hmm. Second day, same fire before him. Same fire before him. The day one, this is the day one, sir. Day one, he did task. Day one. Day two also, we give the fire to the boy. He will touch or he will run.
He won't touch.
He won't touch. Why? Because he experienced. In previous day, he experienced like whenever I touch the fire, this kind of object, fire kind of object, when he see, he don't touch. Why? Because his brain already trained with some data, some experience. He got the experience and he don't touch the fire. Am I clear, sir? That is the kind of reinforce. This example, a small boy example, is reinforce. Some unknown task is going to be performing by and when he enjoy it, he feel enjoy, and again he will go and do the same task. When he got pain, he don't do that particular kind of tasks. The same kind of process which is going to be available in the reinforce here. Trial error process. When it gets success, he get reward. When he get failure, he get penalty. He got penalty. So got to understand about the supervised, unsupervised, and reinforce. Any confusion on this? We done with the machine learning architecture, and we done with the machine learning algo types, and we try to understand the difference between the data science and AI. Difference between data science and AI, DS and AI, DS and AI. What is the difference between the data science and AI? What are the tools and techniques you have to learn? What are the tools and techniques you have to learn? for this machine learning AI. For data science, for AI, everything, Python is the hero. Python is the programming language. You have to learn it. If you don't know Python, you can't move to the field like data science. You can't move to the field like artificial intelligence also. So everybody got to understand how the things are happening with supervised, unsupervised, and reinforced here. Amarnath, Dilip, Divya, Manasa,
Yeah,
Prasad,
yes, sir.
Sandeep, Sudesh, Siddharth, Somesh, Shravan Kumar, Shriya, Subodh.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Very good, very good. Okay, so what are the different kind of algorithms in the supervised learning? What are the different kind of algorithms in unsupervised learning? What are the different kind of algorithms in reinforcement learning? We will try to go through the algorithms few days, 2 or 3 days. Then I come to the Gen AI part. We try to understand the machine learning and deep learning first. Without having the knowledge of Python, without having the knowledge of MLDL, machine learning, deep learning, you can't able to understand about this generative AI, LLMs, RAGs, LLMs, RAGs. You have to create a chatbot kind of application. We need to prepare a chatbot kind of application, ChatGPT kind of application through the Gemini API. We have to move to the Gemini API also, Google Gemini API. There are few things we have to discuss for that. And before that, you try to understand about the machine learning first. Keep keep put in your brain what are the different kind of algo types are available, and what is the architecture of the machine learning. Where is the architecture of machine learning? I draw now. Okay, any questions so far till now? Amarnath, Dilip, Divya, Manasa, Prasad, Sandeep, Shashank, Somesh, Shravan, Shriya, Subodh. Any questions on this?
Yeah, are you teaching this math part, sir, or only focus on Gen
If I teach maths, it will go long time, sir.
AI? Oh,
Okay, maths. You can go through the maths.
okay.
At
At
least
least, is
basics you
there
can.
any possibility to give the important topics in
Uh,
maths part?
we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. We'll discuss few statistics and few uh, basic level. I will teach. Okay, I cannot go through complete maths here. If I
Yeah,
go through complete maths, it will take a long duration.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, better I can make you understand where the maths is needed. At that time, I will explore. I will explore that mathematical kind of topic. So when we are writing algorithm, some math part will come, na? So that time, I will explore that particular concept with you. No worries about it.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? Related algorithm related maths I will deal with. Amarnath, Dilip, Divya, Mansa, Prasad, Sandeep, Shodesh, Somesh, Shravan Kumar, Sriya, Subodh. Yeah, I will upload the today video, and tomorrow we will continue about the algorithms, and we will write algorithms tomorrow onwards.
Is a DL is a subset of ML, or what?
DL is
Where
subset
the
of ML, yes.
oh,
Subset of ML.
okay.
Subset of ML. Yeah, this picture, what the picture? This picture is very, very clearly saying that. I drawn the picture here. Can you see the picture? The blue color
Yeah.
one is AI, and this brown color one is data science. Combination. Who is the combination here for the data science and ML? Sorry, AI. MLDL. Inside ML, DL is there. DL is subset of ML, and ML is subset of AI. ML is subset of data science also. Some other topics for the data science like SQL, Power BI, Databricks, PySpark. When you want to go with your career with the data science, when you want to go with your career in AI, you have to learn some other tools like NLP, Keras, TensorFlow, computer vision, Gen AI, Agentic AI kind of things. Everybody got clear, it seems.
Yeah.
Still any questions? Still any questions? Divya, Amarnath, Mansa, Prasad.
No, thank you.
Right, guys. See you signing off. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If you're not subscribed so far, please go with the subscription. Click on the bell icon. Provide your comments. Thank you.
Yeah. Sir, one more thing. Is there any separate course, complete course for this, or
Yeah, we have the new batch going to be starting for the next week. That is the payment batch. It will go for 2.5 months.
okay, 2.5 months? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
2 months
Thank
I
you.
am planning. 2 months I am planning. So within 2 months we will finish. No issues.
Okay.
Contact to Mohansh Technologies. They will give you the content also
Yeah.
for the 2 months batch. Yeah. Fine, Prasad.
Okay. Thank you, sir.